Hey Geometry, this is Mr. Bloom and we are going to go on a tour of our geometry course for this week. Okay, so we get in, we go to distance learnings, that's what this is about. We've already done the chapter 9 test and we are working on the chapter 10a material. So we pop in and we go to the chapter 10a distance learning days. And what will happen here is we've got a chapter 10a sections. This is our folder. This is what's going on inside this folder, okay, for what's happening. And on Monday, we're going to do guided notes. So we're going to talk about that in a second, and our 10-1 homework quiz. Now, you can retake that homework quiz to get your highest grade, but you got to take and do at least 60%, okay, on it, along with the 10-2 for Tuesday and the 10-2 guided notes and the quiz, and Wednesdays the 10-3 and the 10-3 quiz. The reason why these are highlighted is this is what's going on this week. And please just stay on the same pacing. You guys are supposed to do about a half hour, 45 minutes, depending if it takes you a little longer, so that's what's up. So now let's click inside. Complete the guided notes and homework quiz assigned each day. Reference the grid below. This is my grid below. Make sure you finish both items each day. The guided practice notes will be used for all 7 days, and the homework quiz for each day's notes. You may retake the homework quiz to achieve a better score. Make sure you know how to do the problems. If you have questions, please contact Mr. Bloom. I'm going to have Google Meets, okay? I'm going to do a Google Meet from 10 to 11 each day, so let me know. All you have to do is come in and things will be set up. I'm going to send out that link today, and actually it'll be Geometry Bloom 10 to 11, and I think that's going to be the name of the group, so you just put that in there and we'll get that done. Now be aware there are multiple versions of the same homework quiz. All right, so when you redo a homework quiz, you got to be really good with the material because there's like 5 questions for every question. So it's 5 to the 5th power ways of doing it. So it's really kind of a neat deal. This week, 4648, due at the end of each day is highlighted in yellow, so keep that in mind. Now I click on this, and this is what's going on for the week. Okay, I click here, and this will be used every day. These are guided notes. This means what they are interactive slides that you are expected to read each slide and work through each problem presented. There are 1 to 3 minute videos for you to watch, okay, for each one of those things. Now, and then here's your homework quiz. You'll pretty much be working in these two, this area this week. Next week we'll go to the 415. Please notice that each thing is dated, so you know what's going on. Okay. Now, I guess that's really what it is. You just click on this and you start reading and answering questions. If you start having problems with this, get out of the full screen mode and you'll be able to edit this after you follow these things going on. These are your guided notes. That means they are interactive slides, okay, where you are expected to read each slide and work through each problem presented. There are 1 to 3 minute videos and should be watched that go along with the notes. There are certain places in the notes where you are expected to interact. Most of these can be found quite easily by the red highlighted text. Notes checks will happen each week to determine whether students are at the point they should be and to check answers. If you have been able to open this assignment before and it is currently working, you should be able to search your drive for the notes and work on them there. Due to Schoology issues, we have this link here is a link to the guided notes. You will have to make a copy and then share it with your teacher. So here is your copy, okay, and you'll have to share with your teacher, and you'll just make your copy and get going. Okay, so that's how that'll be. And after that, just start reading and have a great week. If you've got questions, remember I'm going to have a Google Hangout from 10 to 11 each day. And I hope things are going well for you guys. Okay, keep it up. Have a great day.